Binoculars are a must-have for birdwatching enthusiasts. This video provides a comprehensive guide to the 7 best binoculars designed specifically for beginners, helping them discover the joy of birdwatching and easily identify different species. Imagine easily identifying birds, observing their intricate details, and discovering a deeper connection with nature. Get ready to enjoy the joy of birdwatching with the best binoculars for beginners as we guide you through the key features and top picks for 2025. So, let's get started. 1. Vortex Optics Diamondback. Ever spot something incredible in the distance, only to miss the details because your binoculars couldn't keep up? You're not alone. Most binoculars blur out when it matters most. Let's face it, cheap binoculars promise a lot but fail in real conditions. Whether you're birdwatching, hiking, or out hunting, dull images, poor focus, and fogged lenses ruin the experience. That's why the Vortex Diamondback HD 8x42 binoculars stand out. With high-end glass elements and 8x magnification, they cut chromatic distortion and deliver razor-sharp clarity and stunning color accuracy, even at dusk or dawn. Every part is designed for real-world performance. Multi-coated lenses, waterproof and fog-proof build, and a rugged no-slip rubber armor. Plus, the adjustable eye cups and center focus dial make it super easy to use, even with glasses. And the best part? Vortex backs it with a lifetime VIP warranty, no questions asked. The Diamondback HD is your go-to if you want gear that won't quit when you need it most. Number 2. Waterproof binoculars. Ever tried zooming in on a majestic eagle or a mountain peak, only to see a blurry mess through your binoculars? Yeah, it's frustrating. But what if I told you there's a lightweight pair that makes every view crisp and lets you capture it too? Most binoculars either lack the zoom, struggle in low light, or feel like bricks around your neck. And don't even get me started on trying to take a photo through them, shaky, awkward, and never centered. These 12x42 HD binoculars are a total game changer. With powerful 12x zoom and vivid clarity, thanks to the BAK 4 prisms, they give you sharp, bright images, even in low light. Plus, they come with a phone adapter and tripod. Just lock in your phone, swivel the tripod, and boom, you're capturing stunning wildlife or distant stadium action like a pro. They're waterproof, fog-proof, and weigh just over a pound, so whether you're hiking, birdwatching, or traveling, you'll never miss a moment. The adjustable eye cups work perfectly with or without glasses, and that padded crossbody case makes carrying them all day feel effortless. If you're serious about outdoor adventures and want binoculars that do way more than just zoom, these are it. Number 3. High-powered binoculars. You ever spot something amazing off in the distance, like a bald eagle, a player's touchdown celebration, or even a distant mountain peak, and wish you could zoom in like a movie camera? Well, now you kinda can. Here's the deal. Most binoculars out there fall short. They're either too bulky, not powerful enough, or worse. Everything looks dim and blurry, especially in low light. And let's not talk about the eye strain after just a few minutes of use. That's why I tried these 20x50 high-powered binoculars, and wow, this thing is a game changer. With a 20x zoom and a massive 50mm objective lens, you're seeing detail from over 1,000 yards away clearly. The 26mm eyepiece is perfectly sized for comfortable long-term viewing, no more headaches or eye fatigue. Plus, the BAK 4 Poro prism and multi-coated lenses give you a bright, sharp image even when the light starts to fade. They're lightweight, easy to focus with just one finger, and built to handle rough outdoor conditions. Whether you're stargazing, hiking, birdwatching, or watching the big game, these binoculars don't just zoom, they transform how you see the world. Oh, and they come with a rugged carrying bag, so you're ready to go anywhere. Number 4. Adorgan HD binoculars. Ever been out birdwatching or cruising on the water, trying to capture a breathtaking view, only to miss it because your binoculars weren't strong enough or your phone couldn't lock on the shot? Yeah, that moment's gone. But it doesn't have to be. Let's be real, most so-called high-powered binoculars either weigh a ton, don't work in low light, or require an engineering degree to hook up to your phone. You end up struggling to focus or juggling a shaky tripod just to grab one halfway decent photo. That's why the Adorgan 12 by 42 HD binoculars are a total standout. They're powerful enough to bring in sharp, clear images from over 650 feet away, but still weigh just 1.1 pounds. That means no sore shoulders after a hike or a long day out in the field. Magnifying glass tilted left, the 18.5 millimeters eyepieces give you a larger, brighter view than typical models, and with fully multi-coated BAK, 4-prism lenses, these binoculars still perform when the light starts to fade, perfect for evening concerts or low-light nature viewing. Mobile phone, and here's the real kicker. The 2025 upgraded phone adapter and tripod are built for action. The phone mount locks in securely from 3 directions, and the 360-degree rotatable tripod lets you get that perfect angle, whether you're tracking birds in flight or zooming in on the game-winning touchdown. So what do you get? Power, portability, stunning low-light vision, and a seamless way to capture and share it all. Whether you're a birder, traveler, or just want to take amazing long-distance photos without breaking the bank, Adorgan 12x42s are the upgrade your adventures deserve. Number 5. Honorary binoculars for adults. Ever spotted something incredible in the distance only to squint and miss all the details? Whether you're at a concert, birdwatching, or catching a game-winning touchdown, moments like that deserve a closer look without carrying a telescope around your neck. Let's face it, most binoculars are either too bulky for everyday use or too weak to be worth the trouble. You grab a pair that looks compact but end up with blurry images, shaky hands, and a whole lot of frustration. And if you're sharing them with kids, good luck adjusting the focus every 2 seconds. That's where the Hantrai 10 by 25 compact binoculars shine. These binoculars hit the sweet spot. 10x magnification for crisp zoom without the hand trembles, and BAK, 4 prisms for sharp, colorful 3D views, even in low light. Light bulb, we're talking super lightweight, just 0.6 pounds, and they're literally palm-sized. Toss them in your bag, car glove box, or even your coat pocket. And with an adjustable interpupillary distance from 60 to 75 millimeters, they're a perfect fit for both adults and kids. From theater nights to safari sights, the Hantrai 10 by 25 binoculars give you front-row clarity anywhere, anytime. No bulk, no blur. Just brilliant detail in a compact design the whole family can enjoy. Number 6. Bushnell H2O Extreme Compact. You know that moment out on the water or deep in the woods when something incredible catches your eye, but your gear just can't keep up? That one shot of the eagle soaring or the deer slipping through the trees, gone, missed. Let's be real. Most binoculars say they're waterproof or crystal clear, but the second it gets damp or a little foggy, your view is shot. And even some expensive binoculars fail in low light or under pressure. You need something that's rugged, sharp, and truly built for the wild. Enter the Bushnell H2O Extreme 10 by 42 compact waterproof binoculars, the ultimate upgrade to their best-selling H2O line. With fully multi-coated lenses and Bach 4 prisms, these binoculars give you insane clarity and brightness even at dawn or dusk. And they're not just water-resistant, they're 100% waterproof, O-ring sealed, and nitrogen purged to prevent internal fogging no matter the conditions. Lightweight, compact, and built like a tank with a rugged rubber exterior, these binoculars were designed for serious adventurers. Whether you're tracking game in the woods, boating across open waters, or just catching nature in its rawest form, Bushnell's got your back. Number 7. Ocker Compact Binoculars. Ever been out on a hike, spotted a rare bird, or caught the perfect sunset view, but your binoculars just couldn't deliver? Too bulky, too blurry, or worse, totally useless in low light? Most compact binoculars are either too weak to capture real detail or too uncomfortable to use, especially if you wear glasses. Add in poor image quality and awkward focus, and you're left with nothing but frustration when the moment truly matters. Meet the Ocker 12 by 25 compact binoculars, a small but mighty tool with 12x magnification, and a wide field of view that lets you see up to 273 feet per 1,000 yards. Built with FMC broadband coating and premium BAK 4 prisms, the image quality is sharp, vivid, and true to life, even in low light. Plus, the adjustable eye cups make them perfect for glasses wearers or not. What makes these stand out? They're ultra-lightweight, fit in your pocket, and are built for real-world adventures, from birdwatching to hiking, sports games to concerts. Waterproof, durable, and surprisingly powerful for the size, the Ocker binoculars are your new must-pack essential. Whether you're 9 or 90, these deliver a big view in a small package. And there you have it, the Ocker 12 by 25 compact binoculars. Small enough to fit in your pocket, powerful enough to bring the world closer. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more honest gear reviews, and drop a comment below if you've tried these or have a favorite pair of binoculars. I've linked the product in the description so you can check it out for yourself. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring.